Now let us see their reducing nature. Remember, all these alkalis are strong reducing, are having strong reducing nature. They're very strong reducing agents. The reason being they very readily forms what the ion, and they very readily loses this electron. Their E0 reduction values are negative. Now out of all these, lithium E0 reduction value is most negative. It is most negative. That means it's having the strongest reducing power. Whereas when we compare, the ionization energy of the lithium among all the alkalis is the highest. But still its reducing power is maximum. The reason being because very small in size, it's having the maximum hydration energy and hydration enthalpy, as I have explained it to you. So that is why that makes this one like this. So we can write down the increasing reducing nature to be sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and then we have lithium. So this is what is the trend we have, increasing order of the alkali metals in terms of their reducing nature.